Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make this simple capsicum vegetable recipe which you can eat it with chapati or you can also eat it with dal rice. So let's get started. So for this recipe I'll be taking 5 medium-sized capsicum which I'll be chopping it into small cubes. Alright, after chopping the vegetable, let's begin with the cooking. Now in a small pot, I've taken around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'll add in half teaspoon of cumin seed. Then I will add in 1/4 teaspoon of hing, followed by fresh curry leaves, 3 garlic cloves, Once the garlic turns slight brown, I'll be adding in 1 medium-sized onion that's finely chopped. Let's give it a mix. Now we'll fry this onion till it gets slight brown. I'll just put the flame low. Okay, so it's been around 1 to 2 minutes that I've let this onion fry and it's turned slight brown. Okay, that's it. And now I'll be adding in the finely chopped capsicum. So I've kept the flame low. I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll adjust it later. I'll just give it a mix. And here I'll be adding in 1 green chili slit and 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped. We'll add in some basic spices, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of jeera powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Just give it a mix. And I will close the lid and let it cook on low flame for around 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, so it's been 4 to 5 minutes. Now let's check. Okay. So the vegetable is perfectly done. I'll just check if the salt is proper. The salt is also perfect. Okay, now I'll put the flame off and I will cover this with a lid. I'll just let it sit for around 30 seconds and then we will serve. Alright guys, that's it with this recipe. It was that simple to make this capsicum vegetable. You can eat it with chapati. I will be definitely eating this with chapati. Let me know how you like the video, how you like the recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. And please share this video with your friends and family. Let them watch and let them make this too. Until then, see you next time. My name is Stan.